Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and today we have Yoda and a surprise egg. Hi Yoda, how are you?
Good, I am.
Yoda, we see you have a surprise egg. What's going on with it?
Treasure inside.
Oh, awesome. Did you bring a friend, Yoda?
No friend.
Well, let's open it up and see what's inside. Kids, can you guess what's inside? Write in the comments what you think is inside. Is there a toy? Do you think there's candy? Do you think there's a necklace? Maybe a bracelet? A whistle? What do you think's inside?
Let's open it.
Oh, wow, guys, did you see? It's not even Easter, and there's a Cadbury Creme Egg inside. This is what the package, the foil wrapper of the Cadbury egg looks like. Here on the foil is the ingredients, and it says chocolate with soft fondant center. It's kind of hard to read. We're going to get our plate and our knife and open up this Cadbury egg and see what it looks like inside. This is the shape of an egg, and there's a star in the middle. Turn it around, there's some ovals around it, and a star on the other side. We're going to put this egg on our plate and cut it open and see what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like inside. You can see there's white fondant candy, and in the middle there's orange color fondant candy. It's a really creamy, sugary looking candy and chocolate shell. I'm going to taste this part of the egg. The fondant in the middle tastes sweet and sugary. The chocolate is pretty smooth. It's very sweet. It's a nice sweet milk chocolate flavor. It's pretty smooth compared to some other chocolate like Hershey's. I feel like this is a smoother chocolate flavor. Well, Yoda, what do you think about this Cadbury chocolate fondant egg?
Love it, I do.
Well, there you hear it. Yoda loves chocolate Cadbury eggs, too. This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love reviewing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe, and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends.